I joined this group right at a time where I needed it.
I know. So give the carrots right down into Texas. Yes, I did it!
Isn't it fun seeing people crushing their at-home workouts? And that is part of the community that happens in our food and fitness accountability groups. So yes, we do have the fitness piece, but we also have nutrition, the kitchen. So we focus in on making sure that you're eating according to your goals, creating meal plans specific to your preferences. I don't believe in cutting out food groups or depriving or starving ourselves. I think you can enjoy food and still achieve your health goals. If you're ready to start living fit every day, complete the application in the description below and let's chat.